Welcome back. Let's do this question. PQRS is a parallelogram. So it means that PS is parallel to QR and PQ is parallel to SR. Remember that these are the properties of parallelograms. Now we want to find the size of X, not theta here, should be X. So if we check angle PQR, this whole angle, and angle P are co-interior angles since PS is parallel to QR. So it means angle P and angle PQR must give us 180 degrees if we add them. So we're saying angle P plus angle PQR is equal to 180 degrees co-interior angles. Since we have PS parallel to QR, right? P is 132, so it's 132 degrees plus then 2x plus x. Angle PQR is 2x plus x, meaning that is 3x is equal to 180 degrees. And then we subtract 132 from both sides of the equation. What do we get? We get that 3x is equal to 48 degrees. We divide both sides of the equation by 3, divide by 3, divide by 3. X is equal to 16 degrees.